Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. The Secret, written by Rhonda Byrne in 2006, is a self-help book that explores the concept of the law of attraction and how it can be used to attain success and happiness in life. With more than 30 million copies sold worldwide and translations in over 50 languages, The Secret has become a popular resource for individuals seeking to improve their lives. However, to fully utilize the principles outlined in the book, it is important to have a deep understanding of its key lessons. In this book, we will deliver key essential lessons from The Secret and discuss how you can apply them in your own life. Lesson 1. The Law of Attraction. At the heart of The Secret lies the concept of the law of attraction, which states that similar things attract each other. This means that the thoughts and emotions that you focus on will attract corresponding experiences into your life. Negative thoughts and emotions will bring about negative experiences, while positive thoughts and emotions will attract positive experiences. By understanding and utilizing the law of attraction, you can harness its power to manifest your dreams and achieve your goals. Lesson 2. The Power of Visualization. Visualization is a potent tool that can help you realize your aspirations. It involves creating mental images of what you desire in your life. By visualizing your goals and dreams, you are essentially sending a message to the universe about what you want to attract into your life. Visualization enables you to concentrate on the positive aspects of your life and overcome any negative thoughts or emotions. Lesson 3. The Importance of Gratitude. Gratitude is a vital element of the law of attraction. When you are grateful for what you have, you attract more of it into your life. Practicing gratitude helps you focus on the positive aspects of your life and overcome any negative thoughts or emotions. It is essential to cultivate gratitude for everything in your life, no matter how small it may seem. Lesson 4. The Power of Positive Thinking. Positive thinking is a powerful tool that can help you achieve success and happiness in life. It involves focusing on positive thoughts and emotions, rather than negative ones. Positive thinking enables you to surmount any obstacles in your life and maintain motivation and focus on your goals. Lesson 5. The Importance of Taking Action. Taking action is crucial to achieving your goals and dreams. Without action, your aspirations will remain mere fantasies. It is vital to take concrete steps toward your objectives, no matter how small they may be. Taking action helps you progress toward your goals and overcome any obstacles in your path. Lesson 6. The Power of Affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to help you achieve your goals and dreams. They serve to dispel negative thoughts or emotions and reinforce positive beliefs. By repeating affirmations, you are essentially sending a message to the universe about what you want to attract into your life. Lesson 7. The Importance of Self-Belief. Believing in yourself is crucial to achieving success and happiness in life. If you lack self-belief, you will find it difficult to attain your goals and dreams. It is essential to have faith in yourself and your abilities, no matter what challenges you may face. Lesson 8. The Power of the Subconscious Mind. The subconscious mind is a potent tool that can help you achieve your goals and dreams. It operates below your conscious awareness and plays a crucial role in shaping your thoughts and behaviors. By reprogramming your subconscious mind with positive thoughts and beliefs, you can overcome any obstacles in your life and achieve your goals. Lesson 9. The Importance of Letting Go. Letting go is an essential component of the law of attraction. It means releasing any negative thoughts or emotions that are holding you back from achieving your goals and dreams. By letting go of negative thoughts. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.